Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Ever saved a file with a weird name like Rajesh do not touch.x, and then later you're like, what is this? You just want to rename it to something simple. But when it comes to databases in cPanel, it's not that easy. Because here's the truth, cPanel doesn't let you rename a database directly. Yep, no right-click rename option here. So what's the solution? In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step method to effectively rename your database without breaking your website or losing data. And if your hosting is slow, complicated, or just making things harder, YouStable is your solution. They offer lightning-fast hosting with cPanel, and their support team is like your personal tech genie, always ready to help. Now, let's clean up that messy database name and give it the fresh start it deserves. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click Manage My Databases. Scroll down to the table, Current Databases. Here you can see all the databases created by you. Click on the Rename button, provided in the same row of the database you want to rename. For instance, we want to rename example_WP600. Then click the Rename button. It gives a warning and you may create a backup. I will ignore it and proceed anyway. Now, replace the old name with the new name. cPanel automatically adds a prefix to the name of the database. Now, click the Proceed button. Notice that the database has been renamed with the prefix. Thank you for watching.